Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Now visible? Okay.
Yes.
So good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. How's your morning?
It's good, ma'am.
Okay. Have you take your breakfast?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Okay, that's good. So in breakfast, what do you take?
Uh, I take rice, dal, and vegetables.
Okay. So you in breakfast you take meal, heavy meal.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay. That's good. Yeah, yeah. So tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, as you know, my name is Sandhya Vishwakarma, and I am from Banaras. And recently, I have done my diploma, and now I am doing a DCA course. That's
O-
all about me.
Okay. So Sandhya, what is your goal in future? What will you do in your career?
Actually, ma'am, I want to become a teacher, but my parents don't allow me for higher studies.
Okay. So you want to be become
So
teacher.
now,
Mhm. So don't worry, you can give tuition online also because most of people are doing like work from home. You can choose this field.
ma'am,
Mhm.
in this time, I am searching a private school for teaching.
Okay, means you told me your father not allow you to go outside. That's why I'm saying
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can choose work from home.
Ma'am, I got placement in Noida,
Mm-hmm.
but my parents did not allow me.
Okay, so you can try in your city, same university.
Yes, ma'am, I'm searching.
Okay, yeah, yeah, you will get. Don't worry. You miss you what you said, which kind of course are you doing?
ADCA,
Okay, okay,
ADCA.
okay, but you want to join teacher field.
Ma'am, for my knowledge, in this time, I am doing ADCA course.
Okay, okay. So any post graduation plan after completed your this course?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay, so
I will do BSc.
BSc means BSc chemistry science what?
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay, because in BSc I think lot of course in like computer, BSc
Uh,
computer, BOC,
computer,
yeah,
math,
science.
chemistry, physics. Yes,
Yes, yes,
ma'am.
this kind of. Okay, okay, don't worry. Because my one of sister also doing BSc computer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and after that she wants to join like MCA because they you will be get more opportunity in this course also BSc computer after you join any IT company completed BSc computer.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah, directly. Also, you can find work from home also if your parents not allowed to go outside.
Yes, ma'am. I want.
Mm.
I'm searching a private school in my village.
Okay, so now you village
What, ma'am?
means now you live in village.
Yes, ma'am. I'm living in a village.
Okay, Mm, if their parents not allow you to go like a big city.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, ma'am,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
there are a problem in my family. Now you
yeah.
have become 21, and now you should marry, and that's a
Yes,
problem.
yes, I understand. Yeah, lots of people do thinking this like because Nowadays some people are not matter what age hours, but some
Yes,
in
ma'am.
village, in our India especially, after 20 they they don't
You should
allow
marry.
for like of
Uh,
24 age, you can marry till now. So they
yes,
and
ma'am.
so people are also worried about it than our parents. People are worried about the marriage. Your girl
Yes,
is
yes.
now 22 years, and why you not marry her to any other means family. Our family members also push our parents, why you not
Yes,
searching the partner. you know yeah.
yes,
On my village also people are doing this. A girl will be a
yes,
20
ma'am.
after they are thinking about her marriage.
This
Yeah,
is problem all family.
yeah. Now problems also we can say about society's thinking, like they also think. And so main effect is that society are pushed to our parents. They again and again
Yes,
repeat
yes, right.
asking question, oh, how is old your daughter, why you not searching a partner for her,
Yes,
same
mostly
question.
society is forced.
That's why our parents are in worried. Yeah, maybe our
Yes, ma'am.
20 I want to search a partner for her. They are also thinking about that. Yeah.
Yes, mostly
Yeah.
society is forced.
This problem, yeah, I know. If a girl also doing a job in a very big post, so they are not good for that people. Always saying your girl going at a big company, she came back at a 9 after 9 p.m.
Yes,
It's not for her. They saying again to our parents, you know.
that's
Yeah.
the problem in my family.
Yes. Not your family. Everybody, every family are thinking about. They also be educated or uneducated. No matter. They thinking like
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
Some they thinking like that. Yeah, I know.
That problem become only with girl.
Yes. So how is English journey going?
It's going good, ma'am.
How many session you had and every day?
Uh, mostly one.
Okay. Okay. Do you have
Mostly,
any
ma'am.
friends? Do you have any friends? Means I
Hello.
do you have any friends like you who wants to learn this language?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And your brother and sister, what about?
Ma'am, they are not interested.
Okay. Yeah, and some people are saying, why you want to learn, then you want to speak. Don't force me to
Yes,
speak.
ma'am.
Say that. Yeah, most of my sister also sometimes if we are in on call, the I'm said to her, please talk in English. Then she said, please stop now, we can use our native language, don't push me like you use English. She said always me. Yeah.
Ma'am, my sister told me that now you will
Mhm.
learn and uh, then you learn me.
Yeah. Okay, how old is she? She is younger or elder? uh,
She is elder than me,
okay, she is okay. So she also married or not? I mean, she is unmarried.
unmarried.
Okay. So now she is
This
in.
time she is doing BA.
Okay. That's great. Yeah. Any question? If you want, you can ask me related English and any about your education, anything.
Ma'am, what is your favorite city?
City.
Yes, ma'am.
I live in Pune, in Maharashtra.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Do you know about it?
Ma'am, I heard about this
Mm-hmm.
because
Mm-hmm.
in my college,
Mm-hmm.
company came with here
Oh, oh, oh.
for
Yeah,
interview.
yes, yes. In Pune, most of company are there. Like they, most IT company there in Pune, and like
Yes,
Pune
ma'am.
famous for also education. Most of people came
Yes,
here
ma'am.
for only education or for job. Yeah,
Ma'am,
most of them also
most
visited here because Pune is historical.
most of
Mhm.
most of my friends do job there in this time. So I heard this.
Okay, so you want to come here for job in future?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, you can come with your parents if they are worried about your means your health and you. So you can come with your parents. Don't worry. The city is very safe. Don't worry about that. So many people are live alone for job, for education. They choose PG and a hostel here.
Ma'am,
Mm-hmm.
do you do any job?
No, no, I'm not doing that. No, I'm homemaker now. But after before my marriage, I'm doing like a 3 4 months job in company. Then after I left because of my marriage, because my husband living other city and I'm doing other city, so it's very difficult to manage. That's why I left my job. Yeah,
What's your husband do?
he's working in IT company. He's engineer. If you any means if in future if you want to come here, you can call me, and always welcome here. I will help you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Most of people thinking about the city, if there is person is unknown for us, so how they we will go there. Yeah, most of they think.
It's a good place. My friends tell me.
Yeah, yeah, most of places are here very good. Most of fort here to visit people are very curious about the Pune. They are came here for only visited to places here, most historical
You
places.
know,
Hmm. Yes.
ma'am, do you know Dana Company? It is in Pune.
Maybe, but I'm not heard. Maybe it's here. I think most of company here, like a small hub and big hub. So many companies, like 200s above, like companies here. I know most of company, not too much. Just who my friend told me, who my husband told me. I don't. I only know about this. Yeah, if you want to search like YouTube, like you can get more information about the Pune also.
Yes,
A nice city, and you don't worry about how to live here because so many people are very kindly here. They help each other. Yeah. So how many siblings do you have? Means brother and sister.
I have two siblings, one brother and one sister. One
Okay.
younger brother and one elder sister.
And your mother is housewife.
Yes, ma'am. She's a housewife.
Okay, that's good. So what will we do in your free time? So what is your hobby?
Ma'am, sometimes I watch TV and I practice my English.
Okay, okay, nice. And apart from that,
Mostly I watch conversation video on YouTube,
yeah,
like your video and
mm,
Mansi ma'am
yeah, yeah,
and
that,
Yashoda ma'am.
yeah, yeah, nice. They are also nice in conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, because these days are very important for us. If you want to go any interview and any company, the communication is must nowadays.
Yes, ma'am.
this language. Most of people are fail in that, in communication, in interview, because not they proper to speak this for they give, they don't give a proper question to answer if the interviewer asks. Yeah, so before that we want to learn this language. It's very neat to us. Yeah, you're doing good job. And in this, you're not wasting
Yes,
your
ma'am.
time. Utilize your time in communication. Improve
Yes,
yourself.
ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. You can also told your friends, and you can also
Ma'am,
can practice with me these
ma'am,
days on.
I
Mhm.
think I have no more knowledge, so I always try to improve myself.
Yeah, yeah. Don't worry. You can read a lot. You can speak a lot, and most of time you can listen a lot. Then you will be fluent in that. Maybe it's take time, like 2 or 3 months, maybe 1 year, but after that you will be free. You will be fluent.
Yes,
It will
ma'am.
take, because this
Two
is
months
language.
ago, I am
Yes.
2 months ago I am not able to speak any single word, but
Yeah.
now I can speak.
Yes, because of practice. Yeah, you can
Yes,
fix in your mind. You already fix in your mind, I want to learn this language. So that's why you are
yes,
improving.
ma'am.
Yeah, of course. Everybody knows the what is the grammar part, what is the how to make a sentence. But if we come to the speaking parts, we are not able to speak a single one
Yes,
on that.
yes,
On all that time we forgot all sentences, all grammar, because we are fear that the in front of people are very fluent, how to speak to them. If I made mistake, he laugh me on me, or what they thinking about me. We always we
yes,
are
ma'am.
yeah, most of people they are thinking like that. Yeah, but we want to, if we start the, then we can we can overcome our fears. Then after whatever people say, don't think about that. We only start our speaking. Even though we don't think
Yes,
about our
ma'am.
parents, our siblings, our friends, don't think about. Also I'm doing this. Yeah, I'm also making lots of mistakes, but I'm don't thinking about my uh, siblings and my family friends. Don't think. They also same, I know they also laugh me after they watch my video. Why, what she's saying, lots of mistake in grammar. Yeah, I know, but I don't
Yes,
thinking.
ma'am.
Yeah,
I
this is,
also do mistake many, but I this
yeah,
I
but
always try to
not
improve.
learning this language. I'm
Yes,
because I'm
ma'am.
not perfect. I'm now learning this language. That's why I'm practicing. You can say that. Yeah, very good. So shall we wind up this call? We can connect again. If you will me you
Okay, ma'am.
will message me if you want to practice with me. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I will message you whenever I get free time.
Yes. With other topic, any particular topic.
Okay.